Hey, hello everybody, how are you? Thank you for being here, and I hope you will like my channel also. If you want to see my short films, you can go to the link above. There's a lot of great short features, super short films that I'm doing with my kids. You will like it. It's for filmmakers, starting filmmakers, filmmakers on the way, and filmmakers above the way. No, I'm just kidding. Why Proxy is good? Proxy is good because if you shoot on 4K or 8K, even HD, you cannot buy all the time a new PC, new equipment. So with Proxy, you can edit and cut your project really fast, and eventually to export everything in high resolution. And at the end of the tutorial, I will show you another tip how to make it faster, even just in a click of a button. So let's do it. Okay guys, so this is the Premiere Pro. What you do is you go into the program monitor, you press the plus button here. As you press the plus button, it pops up the window and you drag the proxy icon. This is the proxy icon, and you drag it to here. Okay, you press OK and it's here. We will come back to him later. So now you're going to your footage, you press Ctrl A and right click on your mouse. You go to proxy and then create proxies. It will open you a new window. Here you can pick whatever format you want, and the resolution. You have low, medium, high. You go to the low. Here you can pick whatever you want next to the original media in a new folder, or next to the original media without folder. I love to pick it next to the original media in a new proxy folder. It's much easier to find it. And you press OK. When you press OK, it will pop you the media encoder. The media encoder will upload your files, and automatically it will start to convert your footage. After you finish and you start working and you come back to editing, you press the proxy icon, and you can notice that even on the source monitor you have the same icon also, and also your 4K footage in the sequence will run smoother and faster. Now another powerful tip that I want to show you is the FX button here. The FX button, if you press this FX button, all your effects that you put on your timeline, on your sequence, are not gonna show up. It's not deleting your effects, so you don't have to worry. It's just when you press it, you make your sequence run even faster. So you have the proxy, you have the FX, and now the 4K will run very fast and you will work very fast. Just don't forget to press the FX button again to see all the effects that you put. That's it, very important, very easy. Alright, so this is it. That was very fast and hope you like it, and I will see you later. Thank you.